Beautiful home with lots of natural light and tons of storage. Almost new carpet throughout the house. The detached 2-car garage with a spacious workshop is perfect for the do-it-yourself enthusiast or any type of hobby requiring extra space. In addition to the garage, it has a very nice attached carport. A gorgeous sunroom awaits casual afternoons of rest and relaxation or is perfect for entertaining. It is in a great location within walking distance to the pool, tennis and golf.